Turn on the power. Press the Start button firstly in order to make initialization. Meet the same size with the plate folding roller. Press the warming switch in order to keep a warm rice 30 to 35 degree. Put the rice into the hopper. Set to small size. If press the right Start button, plate go to get the rice sheet. If press both two button together, it get folding action. Set to medium size. Set to large size. You can change size and rice length from 60 mm to 210 mm.